Well, like this, go that, and this, that. Did you videotape me?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Here, punch that one since we're going to get this one over here. Go get it.
8853.
That's good. You're doing good. You need to talk more trash. Oh. You're doing good, girl. Oh. Kira, you got to knee him a little bit. Knee him. No, don't climb.
Now take something.
You are kicking.
And you're blonde, man.
Oh, that's crazy. You are whooping his ass. All right. All right.